Hi everyone, in this lecture we are going to talk about align content. Now align content does the same thing. It has all of the same property values as justify content, but it works in the vertical direction. So align content, stretch is going to be the default behavior. And then we have, let's save that. Let's take a look at our content. Nothing happens. We also have align content. So let's go with center first. It's going to be centered vertically, just in the vertical axis. That's the whole difference. Start at the start of the container, and then we could have align content end, which is going to be at the end of the container. All of the entire grid cells, grid rows and row tracks and column tracks collectively will come towards the bottom of the container. And align content, we have space around. Okay, let's remove these. Again, the same idea that we have half this space is equal to half of this space. Then we have align content space between. There we go. And finally, align content space evenly. Let's save that. There we go. So all the spaces distributed evenly. That's it for this lecture. See you in the next one.